Dr. S.K. Singh, kindly meet you, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for very nicely summarizing this. I think it will be a great help to all the younger colleagues who have been witnessing this lecture. Not only those people, but also people who are involved in the active crop improvement activities of the major crops, like wheat, rice, maize, etc. This will be a great effort. We have also taken note of your suggestion of coming out with a publication. Probably we might think of having a series of lecture and then publishing those, or otherwise if individual lectures are to be published, I think I discussed with you along with my secretary and along with all the other members of the Executive Council, and we will definitely come out with publications. In addition to that, we will definitely be putting all these lectures on the website so that it is readily available to all those who could not attend today. With these words, sir, I invite Professor S.K. Singh to kindly propose vote of thanks. Professor S.K. Singh.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. G.P. Singh ji. Honorable Chief Guest and Chairman, Professor R.B. Singh. Respected Speaker, the World Food Prize Laureate, Dr. S.K. Vassal. Our President, Dr. G.P. Singh. The Secretary, Dr. R.K. Sharma. Other executive members, dignitaries, and most valued members of our society, ladies and gentlemen. I feel blessed today for being asked to propose vote of thanks on this special lecture delivered by the great personality Dr. S.K. Vassal, the World Food Prize Laureate. Sir, we are really fortunate enough to have your blessings today for preparing ourselves to be ready to fight against the challenges of 21st century in plant breeding. We assure you, sir, that our generation and our Gen Next will definitely do the level best to fight against hunger and malnutrition, not only in the country, but worldwide. Sir, we may not forget your role in history of quality protein maize, through which our country is highly benefited. Sir, on behalf of the Executive Committee and entire ISGPP family, and on my own behalf, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to you for sparing your valuable time to bless us at this occasion with your wonderful messages to whole country, particularly about reminding us on importance of some of the valuable areas like hybrid revolution. How can a single dollar investment benefits with billions of dollars? Single gene like reducing plant height contributed to green revolution. Joining hands for multi-purpose and multidisciplinary research. Emphasizing germplasm management system with proper road map. Identifying proper heterotic groups from the germplasm. Enhancing seed industry and employment. Looking into the benefits of the GM crops. Advances in genome sequencing. Practicing high density in fruits as done in mangoes. Declining agro biodiversity, public-private partnership, etc. So, sir, we are thankful to you for all these messages. Now, the country may not forget contributions of our today's chief guest and chairman, Dr. Ram Badan Singh, who served the world in general and the country in particular in different capacities, like Head of Department of Genetics and Plant Breeding and Dean Faculty of Agriculture, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, Additional Director General, Food and Agriculture Organization, Rome, Director, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, New Delhi, Chairman, Agricultural Scientist Recruitment Board, ICR, New Delhi, President, NAS, New Delhi, President of our society, ISGPB, Chancellor of the First Central Agricultural University, Imphal, etc. Sir, still we are blessed with your presence in different capacities in the country. Sir, on behalf of whole ISGPB family and on my own behalf, I extend a hearty vote of thanks to you for sparing your valuable time to bless us on this auspicious occasion with your wonderful words and guidance. My sincere thanks goes to our President Dr. G.P. Singh for arranging this memorable lecture today and for sparing his valued time from very busy schedule of his leadership of Indian Institute of Wheat and Barley Research. I am thankful to our Secretary Dr. R.K. Sharma for executing all the works of the society in most scientific manner and managing today's function in best possible ways. I am thankful to all my executive members for their continuous support and cooperations. I am thankful to all dignitaries like Dr. P.L. Gautam, Dr. H.S. Gupta, Dr. Subhas Gulati, Dr. S.K. Sarma, Dr. Rishi Muni Singh, and others for sparing their valuable time. I am thankful to all my valued members of ISGPB. I am also thankful to all our technical and non-technical staff for their hard work and support in such occasions. Chairman sir and Speaker sir, we thank you again for being with us at this special occasion, which has given great pleasure and encouragement to all of us. Thanking you all once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now we can break.
Then with your kind permission, we now close this session.
Thank you.